Single Action Double Sliding System, SC-2SA for Sliding Door Closer C-Series. Feature 1. A wide effective opening can be obtained in a little space. Feature 2. Supports an applicable door weight of up to 160 kilograms. Feature 3. Installation time is reduced by approximately 20%. The three main points for procuring a wide effective opening in a little space. Main point 1. The two sliding doors can be opened and closed in conjunction. Main point 2. Saves installation space by using an interlocking door. Main point 3. A wide effective opening can be obtained even when there is little space for a door pocket. Supports an applicable door weight of up to 160 kilograms. SC-2SA can be attached to various types of doors. The three main points for reducing installation time by approximately 20%. Main point 1. Fewer interlocking wires compared to our conventional model. Main point 2. The wire can be installed before hanging the door. Main point 3. Wire tension can be adjusted by a simple operation. Used in welfare facilities, hospitals, etc. Single Action Double Sliding System, SC-2SA for Sliding Door Closer C-Series.